Welcome to my channel. Scanner not scanning? Fix it fast with these easy steps. Step 1. Check the scanner power. Make sure your scanner or printer is turned on. Look for power lights on the device. If it is off, press the power button. Step 2. Verify the connection. Check that the USB cable is firmly connected to both the scanner and the computer. If using Wi-Fi, make sure the scanner is connected to your wireless network. Step 3. Restart the scanner. Turn off the scanner, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary errors. Step 4. Restart your computer. Save your work and restart your computer. This refreshes system processes that may be preventing scanning. Step 5. Check for paper or document issues. Make sure the document is placed correctly on the scanner glass or in the document feeder. Remove any stuck paper. Step 6. Open the scanning software. Launch your scanning application and confirm that the correct scanner is selected from the device list. Step 7. Update the scanner driver. Visit the scanner manufacturer's website and download the latest driver for your model. Install it and restart your computer if required. Step 8. Check for error messages. Look at the scanner screen or computer for any error messages. Follow the instructions provided to resolve the issue. Step 9. Perform a test scan. Place a document on the scanner and click the scan button. Check whether the scanner starts working normally. Step 10. Reinstall the scanner software. If scanning still does not work, uninstall the scanner software, download the latest version, and install it again. Then try scanning one more time. Thanks for watching.